Welcome, marvelers, to another incredible journey. Today we're diving into the luxurious world of the Crystal Waterworld Resort and Spa in Antalya, Turkey. Nestled in the picturesque town of Sirik, this stunning beachfront resort is an oasis of relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable memories. Join us as we explore everything this resort has to offer, from its top-notch facilities and thrilling aqua park to its delectable dining options, vibrant night shows, and nearby attractions. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or just a well-deserved break, Crystal Waterworld Resort and Spa promises a spectacular experience. Crystal Waterworld Resort and Spa boasts a prime location along the turquoise coast of the Mediterranean Sea, offering guests direct access to its private sandy beach. The resort's sprawling grounds are dotted with palm trees and lush gardens, creating a tranquil environment that perfectly complements the crystal-clear waters lapping at the shore. Here, relaxation comes naturally as you lounge on sunbeds, sip on cocktails from the beach bar, or take a leisurely stroll along the pristine sands. But for those looking for a little more excitement, the resort's aqua park is the place to be. Spread across an expansive area, the aqua park features a variety of thrilling water slides, wave pools, and splash zones that cater to both kids and adults alike. Whether you're racing down the high-speed slides, floating along the lazy river, or simply enjoying the sun in one of the many pools, the aqua park guarantees hours of fun for the whole family. While the resort offers plenty to keep you entertained, there's also much to explore in the surrounding area. Just a short drive away, you'll find the ancient city of Purge, a fascinating archaeological site that dates back to the Roman era. History buffs will love wandering through the ruins of this once thriving city, which includes a grand theater, a stadium, and well-preserved temples. For nature lovers, a visit to the Duden waterfalls is a must. These stunning cascades are set in a lush, green park and provide a perfect backdrop for a day of relaxation and exploration. The best time to visit Crystal Waterworld Resort and Spa is between May and October when the weather is warm and sunny, making it ideal for beach and poolside activities. However, thanks to the resort's extensive indoor facilities, it's also a great destination for a winter getaway. When it comes to dining, Crystal Waterworld Resort and Spa pulls out all the stops. The resort offers an array of culinary experiences, from bountiful buffets to a la carte restaurants specializing in Turkish, Italian, and international cuisine. Start your day with a hearty breakfast at the main restaurant, indulge in a sumptuous seafood dinner by the sea, or treat yourself to a late-night snack at one of the resort's many eateries. And for those with a sweet tooth, the patisserie is a must-visit, offering a selection of freshly baked pastries, cakes, and traditional Turkish delights. As the sun sets, the resort comes alive with an array of nighttime entertainment options. From live music and dance performances to themed parties and interactive shows, there's always something happening at Crystal Waterworld. The resort's amphitheater hosts nightly performances that are sure to captivate guests of all ages, while the on-site bars and lounges offer a more relaxed atmosphere for those looking to unwind with a drink in hand. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Crystal Waterworld Resort and Spa in Antalya offers an unparalleled experience that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. From its stunning beachfront location and thrilling aqua park to its luxurious spa and vibrant nightlife, this resort truly has it all. So pack your bags, marvelers, and get ready to discover the wonders of Crystal Waterworld Resort and Spa. Until next time, keep exploring the world's marvels with us.